Rosemary essential oil has been treasured for centuries, from ancient Greek scholars who believed it sharpened memory to traditional healers who relied on it for physical vitality. Distilled from the fragrant leaves of the rosemary plant, Salvia rosmarinus, this aromatic oil is known for its fresh, herbaceous scent and powerful natural compounds. Today, rosemary essential oil is widely used in aromatherapy, personal care, and wellness routines because of its impressive range of potential health benefits. While it is not a cure-all, research and traditional use suggest that rosemary essential oil can support both mental and physical well-being when used responsibly. Here are 10 notable health benefits that make rosemary essential oil one of the most valued essential oils worldwide. Number 1. Enhances memory and cognitive function. One of the most well-known benefits of rosemary essential oil is its ability to support brain function. The aroma of rosemary has been linked to improved concentration, alertness, and memory retention. Compounds such as 1,8-cineol are believed to play a role in supporting neurotransmitter activity in the brain, which can help with mental clarity. Many people use rosemary essential oil during studying, reading, or mentally demanding tasks because it may help reduce mental fatigue and improve focus. This benefit is especially valued in environments that require sustained attention and clear thinking. Number 2. Reduces stress and mental fatigue. Rosemary essential oil is also recognized for its uplifting and balancing effects on mood. Its fresh scent can help reduce feelings of stress, nervous tension, and emotional exhaustion. Unlike heavier calming oils that may feel sedating, rosemary tends to promote calm alertness. This makes it helpful for people who feel overwhelmed but still need to stay productive. By supporting relaxation without drowsiness, rosemary essential oil can contribute to emotional balance and improved mental resilience. Number 3. Supports hair growth and scalp health. Rosemary essential oil is widely used in hair care because of its potential to support scalp circulation and hair follicle health. Improved blood flow to the scalp may help nourish hair roots, which can encourage stronger and healthier hair growth over time. Additionally, rosemary essential oil has natural cleansing properties that can help reduce dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Because of these qualities, it is commonly found in shampoos, conditioners, and scalp treatments aimed at strengthening hair and maintaining scalp health. Number 4. Relieves muscle and joint discomfort. Another valuable benefit of rosemary essential oil is its ability to ease muscle stiffness and joint discomfort. It has warming and stimulating properties that may help improve circulation in areas experiencing tension. When used in massage blends, rosemary essential oil is often chosen by athletes or individuals dealing with physical strain. Its natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory characteristics can help the body feel more relaxed and flexible after physical activity. Number 5. Supports respiratory health. Rosemary essential oil may help support the respiratory system, especially during times of congestion or seasonal discomfort. Its crisp aroma can promote easier breathing by helping to clear nasal passages and support airflow. Traditional use suggests that rosemary's natural compounds may help loosen mucus and provide relief from feelings of chest tightness. Because of this, rosemary essential oil is often included in inhalation blends designed to refresh the respiratory system. Number 6. Improves digestion and gut comfort. Rosemary essential oil has long been associated with digestive support. Historically, rosemary was used to help relieve indigestion, bloating, and stomach discomfort. The oil's natural compounds may help stimulate digestive processes and encourage smoother digestion. Additionally, rosemary essential oil may help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, which can reduce feelings of cramping or discomfort. While it should never replace medical care, its supportive role in digestive wellness is widely appreciated. Number 7. Strengthens the immune system. The antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of rosemary essential oil make it a valuable ally for immune support. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can weaken immune defenses over time. Rosemary essential oil may also help the body resist certain environmental threats by supporting natural defense mechanisms. This immune-supporting benefit is one reason rosemary has remained a staple herb in traditional wellness practices for generations. Number 8. Promotes healthy skin. Rosemary essential oil can contribute to healthier-looking skin due to its cleansing and balancing properties. It may help regulate oil production, making it useful for individuals with oily or blemish-prone skin. Its antioxidant content can also support skin vitality by helping protect against environmental stressors that contribute to premature aging. When used in properly diluted skincare products, rosemary essential oil may help improve skin tone and overall appearance. Number 9. Boosts circulation and energy levels. Rosemary essential oil is known for its stimulating effect on circulation. Improved blood flow can support overall energy levels by helping oxygen and nutrients reach tissues more efficiently. This circulation-boosting property may also contribute to warmer extremities and reduced feelings of sluggishness. Many people use rosemary essential oil as part of a morning routine to feel more awake, energized, and ready to face the day. Number 10. Supports natural pain management. The final key benefit of rosemary essential oil is its potential role in natural pain relief. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, rosemary essential oil may help reduce discomfort associated with headaches, muscle aches, and tension. Its invigorating aroma can also help distract from pain by stimulating the senses and promoting relaxation. This makes rosemary essential oil a popular choice in natural wellness practices aimed at comfort and relief. Rosemary essential oil stands out as a powerful and versatile natural product with benefits that extend from mental clarity to physical comfort. Its ability to support memory, reduce stress, improve circulation, and promote overall wellness explains why it has been valued across cultures and centuries. While rosemary essential oil should always be used responsibly and as part of a balanced lifestyle, its wide range of potential health benefits makes it a meaningful addition to many wellness routines. Whether used for focus, relaxation, or physical support, rosemary essential oil continues to prove that nature often provides remarkably effective tools for maintaining health and vitality. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.